Alright, so we should be at the point now where we have our down face is all white. We have this whole first layer correct. This whole second layer correct. Now, next step is to make our yellow cross. Now, you will see several different variations of yellow on the top. We do not need to worry about the corners. We're just worried about the center and the edge pieces. Now you run into 4 different variations of this. You'll either see just a yellow dot, a yellow line, it could be this way or this way, and we'll also see an L shape, a backwards an L shape. It could either be this way, this way, this way, or this way, and we'll have an L shape. Right now I have the straight line, kind of like an I. If that's the case, what we want to do is we want the line to look like this on the top. Alright, just straight across as we're holding it. When it's like this, what we want to do is we want to turn the front clockwise, right clockwise, top clockwise, right counterclockwise, top counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. And that will give us our cross. The other way we would see it is if we have an L shape. If that's the case, what we want to do is make it to where the L is backwards. All right, in the top corner backwards. For that one, we want to turn the front clockwise. Then instead of the right like we did with the line, we're going to turn the top first. We're going to turn the top clockwise, then the right clockwise, then the top counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. And that will give us our cross. The final way that we would see it is if there's only just the yellow dot, nothing else. If that's the case, we're going to have to do this twice. So you can either do like the L or you can do like the line. I'm going to do like the line. We're going to do front clockwise, right clockwise, up clockwise, right counterclockwise, up counterclockwise, and front counterclockwise. And that gave me my L. So I'm going to turn my L to where it's backwards and do the L algorithm. Front, up, right, up counterclockwise, right counterclockwise, front counterclockwise. And I have my cross. The fourth way that you would see it is if you had the full cross already. If you had that, then you can skip this step.